Hi everybody, it's Allie from Chibitronics. Today we're going to be making a Blinky love note card featuring our brand new Launchpad Battery. Come and join me. I've already prepped the couple of layers for my card today, and the heart back there is just got some vellum, so it's a little translucent, and I very lightly traced the void where we're going to place those light stickers. Today we're going to be using the Animating white blink LED stickers, and we're going to use our specialized ruler here to trace out all 3 spots where I'm going to locate each of those stickers. This is a very handy tool. And now we're going to map out where our battery is going to be located, and I'm going to create a little switch which is going to be located under the sentiment there, the I heart you very much. Just making sure it's in the right spot. I'm just going to glue it down. All it is just a folded piece of paper, and I'm going to show you how we're going to make that into a switch. Alright, it's now connected to the surface where we're going to map out our circuit. Alright, I'm going to use the same ruler tool, and I'm going to map out the negative side of the circuit first. I'm going to connect all of the pointy tips of those gem-shaped stickers, and I'm going to show you where that Launchpad battery is going to go, and you notice it has 2 little arms there. One's a negative side, one's the positive side, and I'm going to make sure that my lines kind of come out at the same angle they come out from the battery. We're going to go up and over and around the inside of our little booklet or our switch there. So this is mapping out the positive side, and to create the switch we need a gap in that circuit so that when we close it the light is going to turn on. So I'm just mapping out all of the positive sides of the stickers, which are the kind of the top of the gem shape in this case. Let's put down our conductive fabric tape here. This stuff is really handy and very easy to use. It's just peel and stick, and you can use your everyday scissors to cut this. It's very, very strong, and it's so flexible that you can actually bend it back on itself. So my aim is to try and use as much of a single strip as possible. So like in this case, I've bent it around the corners, but I also have to make additional arms to complete this circuit. You can do both. There we go. There is the positive side, and I've gone on inside that switch, wrapped it around the little door, and taken it to the battery. Now I'm going to kind of widen the contact point on the inside of that switch just to make sure that we can make good contact to turn on our lights. Okay, let's add those stickers. So once again, these are gem shaped, and these are our white blink animating LED light stickers. 1, 2, 3, there we go. And then this is our new Launchpad lithium battery, and it has a very distinct posts for its positive and negative side. And to connect it to my circuit, I'm just going to use some conductive fabric tape patches. They're just easy peasy, it's just peel and stick. Just makes this job a lot faster than having to cut pieces on your own. There we go, look. And 1, 2, 3, just closing that switch allows those lights to light up. Okay, let's add the top to our card front. I'm just going to use some 3-dimensional foam tape. And typically, you as a card maker or creator would just peel off the backing on this foam tape and attach your card front right to the front. But I like to show my circuit, so I've kind of connected it with some Velcro. And there we go, some cute little flashing lights right behind our cute little kitty. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out Chibitronics. We have a whole variety of other videos and all kinds of inspiration on our Instagram page. Thanks for joining us.